Today we're diving into the SpeedyFiberTX Multimode OM 162.5 125 fiber optic patch cable. Designed for efficiency and durability, this cable boasts a Corning OM 162.5 125 fiber core and meets industry standards with an OFNR PVC cable jacket. Its tight buffered zip cord design and short boots make it a breeze to install and maintain. Each cable undergoes rigorous testing for insertion loss and return loss, ensuring top-notch quality. What sets this cable apart is its color-coded heat shrink tubing, simplifying fiber channel identification. Yellow matches to yellow, white to white. Whether you're connecting to SFP transceivers, Ethernet switches, or media converters, the LC duplex connectors deliver reliable performance. It's a perfect fit for storage area networks and data networks alike, promising seamless connectivity and minimal signal loss. That if you're looking for a high-quality fiber patch cable that combines ease of use with robust performance, the SpeedyFiberTX is worth considering. Stay tuned for more insights into tech and networking essentials.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.